Big O here. Creedence Clearwater Revival. And the song is Have You Ever Seen Rain? I'm showing my age, but they used to be one of my most favorite groups. Y'all listen up. I hope I can do this song justice because it's a good one. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain on a sunny day, and I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen rain? I want to know, have you ever seen rain coming down on the sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop. I wonder, I want to know, have you ever seen rain? I want to know, have you ever seen rain coming down on a sunny day? I want to know, have you ever seen rain? I want to know, have you ever seen rain coming down on a sunny day? Whew, that's a good one.